Today, we are going to show you how to draw a cool-looking monorail step by step. Grab your favorite drawing supplies, and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body first. Draw 2 rectangles in the middle of your page, one longer than the other with a small gap between them. Make the front slanted by adding a diagonal line and erasing part of the corner. Step 2. Draw the housing for the wheels. Now draw a rectangle below the body for the wheel housing. Make the front part slightly curved. This is where the wheels are enclosed. Step 3. Draw the chassis. Add a straight line on the bottom of the body for the chassis. Don't make it too wide or leave too much space beneath it. Step 4. Add the front window. Draw 2 vertical lines at the front with a horizontal line across to make the front window. Round the corners for a modern look. Step 5. Draw the passenger windows. Use a ruler to add guidelines from the top and bottom of the front window back. Then draw vertical lines between them for the windows. Erase the guides. Step 6. Refine the drawing. Refine your drawing by erasing any overlapping or messy lines. Redraw any parts that need improvement. Step 7. Take the drawing to the next level. Let's add some finishing touches to make your monorail look more realistic. Draw a long rectangle with vertical supports underneath for the elevated rail. Consider adding your name, bushes, clouds, or whatever makes your drawing look the best. Step 8. Add color. Use different colors to make the various sections stand out. Be careful to color inside the lines. There you have it, a completed colored monorail drawing. We hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. Let us know in the comments what to draw next. And be sure to check the video description for more on our tutorials and services. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun tutorials. Thanks for watching!